Hello, my Aries, Taurus, cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of July 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. Apologies for outside noise interference or flash in the cards that could disturb your eyes. And because this will be a collective reading, for a few it may resonate, for a few it may not. If this reading resonates with you, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it doesn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. If you belong to my zodiac signs, darlings, hang on for some time. Shortly, we'll upload a reading for you. This is for my cusp babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th. That is 20. And then from the 21st to the 31st of this month. Okay? Let's go. Angels and spirit guides. First 10 days, please, for my sweetie pies. Let's take these two. And let's take these two. Okay. So we begin with laziness, change, the Fool, silence, and Thunderbolt. Darlings, the first 10 days seem to be pretty interesting because you have good things embracing you. What is it? Your shadow work. Silence and Thunderbolt both are trying to say that there is a possibility that the inner chaos could be creating issues for you. So, if you think nothing is happening, probably a lot many things are happening behind the scenes for you. You can reap the benefits provided you come from within. So, meditate, chant mantras, breathing techniques should help you. Another thing, what is within you is ideally outside you. So, universe is blessing you. But what is happening is, because some shake-up has happened or some shake-up will happen, maybe that is mandatory for new shifts to come in your life. We have laziness, change, and food. All three are trying to say that you will travel. You can expect proposals from overseas. You can expect somebody you could meet during your journey. Okay, it could be like a flirtatious energy. Whatever you want, you can achieve emotionally, financially, spiritually, physically as well. Everything will be fine. But I think there's a lot of chaos you guys are dealing with. So learn to breathe and do not get entangled, is what it's trying to say. Now let's check between the 11th to the 20th. Angels and spirit guides. One, two, okay, let's take them. So, we begin with We Are the World, comparison, rebirth, completion, master. So, whatever heartaches you have been through in this week, in these 10 days, you will decide to come out of it. Okay, maybe you might feel that you are getting compared with somebody or you're comparing yourself with someone, but universe is reminding you're strong enough. Okay, so don't give up on yourself. Remember, your higher self is giving you some clarity. So when you are in a calm state of mind, that jigsaw puzzle will get resolved. But I think you need to breathe. Okay, don't rush is what it's trying to say. Yes, finance flow is coming in. Yes, you will travel. Remember, only you can help yourself. So whatever is happening, if a door is closing, remember another door is also equally opening. So don't give up on yourself is what the mantra would be in the mid 10 days. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 31st. outsider, breakthrough, celebration, exhaustion. Seems like in the last 10 days now, you might be mentally or physically getting overstressed. Why? Because you feel nobody values you. In spite of all that you've put in the first 10, 20 days, in the last 10 days is somewhere you might feel left out. Remember, you have your friends, okay? So, stay connected with your friends. Probably they will give you some support. They will guide you, okay? So, don't give up on that. You can enjoy, but remember something karmically is happening, so it's okay, just keep going ahead and take that risk. Maybe you're scared, somewhere on the line you're scared, okay? And we have number 5, which equals to change. So let that change happen. Just don't get exhausted. Bring in that me time. Listen to your body. If your body is trying to tell you sleep, take a power nap. If your body is craving for something sweet, understand that there is some joy that is missing. You can go and relish a bar of candy or chocolate, whatever you like. So there are these things, okay, that you're kind of missing, is what your body will signal you, okay? So listen to your body. Now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month. Angels and spirit guides. Let's take this. Beautiful. We have play. Can you see the synchronicity? So, be playful, have fun. Spending time with children will make you feel good. Also, it is trying to say, you always have your inner child. So, maybe your inner child is somewhere not happy. Take good care of it, okay? Now, let's come to your love life. Let's take this. Then we have one more. No? Okay. So we'll take the bottom, and the bottom says boat and keys on a ring. So keys on a ring is trying to remind you that you have lot many options, okay? Maybe you might get swayed. Avoid doing that. Maybe it's not good, okay? But even if you want to, darling, it's your choice. Play safe. We have the boat. So whatever news you have been looking forward for, you will receive. In fact, there is a possibility that you might travel overseas as well, because we can see these shifts coming in your life. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Angels in spirit guides, anything specific? And we have poverty. Poverty, again, similar to outsider, is trying to say that avoid overstressing yourself. Poverty consciousness need not be on finance only. It could be in your thought process, where you might be, there could be some added expenses coming up for you in this month. So curb your expenses if possible. Do a lot of charity, have gratitude, thank the beautiful beings of light, keep blessing, seek for forgiveness. So when you do all these good things now, everything will start falling into places, is what universe is trying to say. So how should I sum up this month? Oh my. A lot many things are happening, but I think it's trying to say, listen to your inner child. You know why? Because it's like, whatever you want, darling, you can achieve. Money, fame, success, travel, finance, emotional happiness, everything you have. But only when your inner child is happy is when you will get everything. But if you do not listen to your inner child and you just cover it up, probably those could be the roadblocks coming up for you. Remember, you have these beautiful friends. Remember, only you can help yourself. Your angels are asking you to be playful at the matters of heart. Some news is coming, but avoid getting entangled in multiple options, because you will have multiple options, and avoid getting this poverty consciousness. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.